If you're in your 50s and looking for an easy digital side hustle without any tech skills, then this video is exactly what you've been looking for. I'm going to show you a fully automated business model that's already generating daily income for thousands of people our age. And by the end of this video, you'll have the complete step-by-step blueprint to get started. But here's what makes this different from everything else you've tried. And I'll explain why this works when other opportunities have failed you. If we haven't met yet, my name is Deb. I'm a dog mom and I'm 55. When I started searching for a way to make money online, I was working long hours in a job that I didn't really enjoy. And I was worried sick about my retirement because my savings were just not where they should have been. And I was starting to think that I'd probably never get to retire. Now, before we dive in, if you want to download my step-by-step blueprint, which shows you exactly how I set this business up, you can get the link for my Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. Now, you might be thinking, what makes this business model different from all the other make money online opportunities you may have tried? The difference. It's called Master Resell Rights, and it's essentially like having a digital franchise. You get pre-made, high-converting digital product that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits. No revenue sharing, no monthly fees to a company. Think of it like buying the rights to sell somebody else's proven course or guide, but instead of just selling one copy, you can sell it over and over again. Here's what's exciting. These digital products sell for between $100 and $900 each. Since everything is automated through your pre-built sales system, you can literally make sales while you sleep. Remember, you're not trying to become some young influencer dancing on TikTok. You're sharing your life experience and wisdom who genuinely need your help. There are millions of people our age who are looking for ways to make extra money. The entire business runs on automation. Once you set up your system, which you'll learn how to do in the step-by-step training, everything runs without you. Your social media posts can be scheduled in advance. Your email sequences are pre-written and automatically sent to new subscribers. And your sales pages handle all the selling for you. This means that you can literally work 2 hours a day posting your content and checking messages and emails, and then spending the rest of your day doing whatever you want. It's the automation which makes this business sustainable. You're not trading hours for dollars like in a traditional job. You're building a system that generates income whether you're actively working it or not. This is how people our age are finally achieving the financial freedom they thought was impossible. Okay, let me address the elephant in the room. You're not tech savvy enough for all this automation and online stuff. I know I felt the same. Here's what makes this program different from everything else out there. You become part of a thriving community of over 55,000 people, many of them in their 50s and 60s and beyond, who are all learning and succeeding together. Plus, there are live coaching and tech calls every week where you can ask questions and get help with anything you're stuck on. In the training, everything is broken down. Follow along steps. If you can send an email or post on Facebook, you have all the technical skills you need. And because you're not starting from scratch, the website, sales pages, and email are all done for you. There's no complicated setup. Think about it this way. You've learned countless things throughout your life. You've adapted to smartphones, online banking, maybe even Zoom calls during the pandemic. This is just one more skill, except this one pays you handsomely for learning it. Now, you might be wondering about the investment to get started and whether this is just another expensive course that promises the world and delivers nothing. The complete system, including the digital products with resale rights, the automations, the training, and lifetime access to the community and coaching calls, is a one-time investment of $900. And you also have a one-off fee of $39 for your website. You only need to make one sale to get your investment back, and then everything after that is pure profit. Once you have your system set up and you're consistently posting content, making $100 to $900 a day becomes not just possible, expected. I've seen people our age go from complete beginners to make more in a month than they used to make in a year in their 9-to-5 job. There's no monthly fee, no inventory to buy, no employees to manage. Just you, the proven system, and the incredible community supporting you every step of the way. This is your chance to finally take control of your financial future. I know you've probably tried other online opportunities that promised you easy money but left you frustrated and out of pocket. I know I have. This is different. because you're not just buying a course, you're getting a complete business system that is already working for thousands of people. The only question left is whether you're ready to bet on yourself and take action on something that can genuinely change your life. If you're someone who learns best by seeing exactly how this whole system works behind the scenes, a free class that walks you through every step. It shows you the complete strategy. Once you've watched it, then you can make the best decision for yourself. Okay, so I'm curious, what's the biggest thing holding you back from starting an online business? Is it technology, not knowing what to sell, or something else entirely? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to help you get started down the path to a freedom-style income for your retirement. Now that you know about the easiest digital side hustle for people like us, you might be wondering how I grow my online business in just 2 hours a day. You'll want to go right here to this video, because when you pair what you have just learned with what's in this video, it's way more powerful. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.